Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a fun brain break tool called Body Synth. Body Synth is a part of the collection of the creatability tools in the Chrome experiments by Google, specifically their AI experiments, so artificial intelligence experiments, and they were actually designed in a partnership with accessibility leaders and designers to try to give more options to people for creating music and artwork using parts of their body and other assistive technology features. So specifically what Body Synth allows you to do is to make music by using your body. So if you go to the creatabilitywithgoogle.com website, Body Synth is one of the example tools they have listed, but I have it linked on the slideshow with brain breaks. And the first time you go here, it's helpful. They'll walk you through a tutorial that shows you what to do. I'm just going to go ahead and start playing. And it will probably ask you for permission to use your camera the first time. And over here on the right is where you can change. I'm actually going to move my camera over here. You can change what type of instrument it is using. I'm going to do the drums. All right. And you can even do voice commands as well. But if you sit back and you move your arms, it does different noises based on that. And you can even change it up here as well. So it's kind of a fun little break for your students. It could be something that they do with their family or do with you. And you have even additional options over here where you can use keyboard shortcuts, change the motion sensitivity to where maybe the students can move less or more depending on their preference. So that is Body Synth, and I hope you have fun with it.